Tired of your DocuSign documents looking like they were designed by a robot with a grudge? In this video, we'll show you how to format text boxes in DocuSign to create professional documents that are easy to read and understand. Let's dive in. First, log into your DocuSign account and open the document you want to edit. Select the text box you wish to format. This activates the formatting toolbar above or next to the box. Here's where the magic happens. You can change the font type, size, and style. Click the font drop-down menu and choose a clear, professional font like Arial or Calibri for better readability. Adjust the font size to ensure the text is neither too small to read nor too large and overwhelming. A size between 10 and 12 points usually works well. Use bold, italics, or underlining sparingly to emphasize key information, but avoid overusing these features, as too much emphasis can be distracting. Next, align your text properly within the box. Left alignment is generally best for body text, while center alignment can be effective for headings or short phrases. Finally, adjust the size and position of the text box itself. Click and drag the corners to resize it, and click and drag the entire box to move it around the document to ensure it fits neatly within the designated space and doesn't overlap with other elements. By following these simple steps, you can transform your DocuSign documents from cluttered messes into polished, professional communications. Happy DocuSigning!